Broiling. The 3 levels of the broil mode ensure perfect browning and cooking for dishes that need a light touch, such as cheese-topped casseroles, as well as more powerful heat for broiling meats, seafood, and vegetables. Need to toast some bread or a bagel? You have all the tools at hand here. This versatile oven does it all. You will notice the covered broiling elements eliminate the possibility of flare-ups and also make it very easy to keep the top of the oven clean. Combination cooking, broil plus microwaves. Rather than wait for a prepared casserole to heat up, in this function, the microwaves heat the food while the moderate broil level provides additional direct heat and browning. To adjust the level of microwave power, turn the left knob counterclockwise. Let's face it, we all have times when we need speed cooking, and being able to combine the microwave power with the broil function is a recipe for instant happiness. Additional tools. Microwaves were originally developed as a convenience appliance, and while this oven offers far more features than the average microwave, it also features exceptional convenience features to enhance the cooking process. Automatic microwave programs for cooking and defrosting. The automatic program function provides a guide for defrosting and cooking a variety of foods, with tips for the type of cookware to use as well as placement in the oven. The weight is entered so that the sensors can monitor the defrosting or the cooking process, and the option to add or reduce time at the end of the program is offered, a useful option for foods you defrost or cook frequently. Detailed instructions can be found in the user guide. Personal recipes. Storing the cooking steps for favorite meals is another great convenience feature for cooking food without having to stop and make any adjustments. Once the recipe steps are saved, simply call up the recipe and place the food in the oven with the confidence it will be cooked exactly as programmed. You can program up to 50 individual recipes with up to 5 steps in each recipe. Sequential operation. When using multiple heating methods to cook a meal, the sequential operation function can be programmed with up to 5 different steps, and the oven will automatically cook and change the modes as entered. For example, if you are cooking a casserole that is still slightly frozen, you can program the microwave function 180 watts for defrosting and cooking for 10 minutes. Then change to convection mode 340 degrees for 20 minutes. Finish with level 2 broil mode for browning for 5 minutes. Timer options. The oven features a minute timer for monitoring quick cooking dishes and a stopwatch timer to help determine the ideal cooking time of a dish. A timed cooking function can be used when in the convection mode and will turn the oven off at the end of the cooking time. For convenience, the end of cooking time can even be delayed using this mode so foods are ready to serve on time. Sabbath mode. To program the Sabbath mode, begin by enabling the Sabbath mode in Settings and confirm by touching the check mark, then turn the oven off. To set the Sabbath mode, turn the left knob to the light position, touch the expanded clock icon, and the default time of 24 hours and a temperature of 185 degrees is displayed. This option uses the convection heating mode for up to 74 hours without having to switch the appliance on and off. Cleaning and maintenance. Keeping the surfaces of the oven clean will ensure perfect cooking results without any risk of creating excessive smoke. Always wait until the oven has cooled, then wipe up any spills with warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth. The back panel of the oven is coated with self-cleaning enamel and cleans continuously during cooking. However, cleaning with warm soapy water is still recommended. It is important to note that harsh abrasive cleaning products, traditional oven cleaner or scouring pads should not be used on the interior surfaces or the glass door, and especially not on the back wall. Please refer to the user guide for detailed information on cleaning. The microwave may have been developed as a convenience tool, but I think you can agree after seeing the Gaggenau Combi-microwave in action and all the remarkable cooking tools it provides, convenience has taken on a whole new meaning.